Hi everyone, I'm Tapan from Testing Reviews, and today I'm here to talk about browser compatibility testing tools. So, if you're a web developer, you must have heard this word browser compatibility testing, and however, I'll still explain this in a brief because there are many users who haven't heard this. So let's suppose you build a website, and to build it, you use your own. So this is BrowserStack actually looks like, and they have these browsers, the versions. We fire up a machine. I'm using Windows 10 and Mozilla Firefox. Let's see how it looks like in action. Okay, there you go. It's coming up. Okay, I don't know why it's okay. Came up. Surprise. So then here as the URL you can type in. It's a real-time test. You can interact with the machine in real time. I don't know why it's really slow today. Interact with it in real time. You can take a screenshot from here if you find an issue. Generate a screenshot, and that you can share with your developer. You can download it and save it. This is the gallery if you have saved in screenshot. This is a real-time test, and let me take you to screenshot testing in BrowserStack. Okay, so here are the choices to select browsers. They have from 50 to 22, for Mozilla 45 to 16. They don't have our latest browsers in Chrome for screenshot. Okay, and similarly for Firefox, they're all pretty old browsers. Okay, let me take you to LambdaTest. So this is a LambdaTest screen, and this is the real-time test. This is a real-time test page. They have the browsers listed here, and version, operating system, and resolution. So it's pretty easy here to choose a browser and a version and operating system and a resolution and fire up a machine. These are mobile browsers. You can see the UI is very clean as compared to BrowserStack. Let me show you in BrowserStack as well. Uh, there you go in live. You can see here if I need to find out a screenshot, if I need to navigate to another section, that's pretty tough. I need to search for it. I should know where it is, and then only I can go. And in Lambda test, it is very easy. In Lambda test, it is very easy to to fire up a machine and navigate to another section as well. You can go to screenshot responsive. It's all listed here in front of you. Let me fire up a machine. I'm using Chrome 67 and Windows 10. Or you can take a screenshot from here. They have a search functionality like BrowserStack. You can choose to different browsers. And let me take a screenshot from here. So one-click bug logging is an amazing feature here, guys. So using Lambda test, you can push your screenshots of videos using a single, only the screenshots right now to your bug tracking tool. And they have close to 7-8 bug tracking tool. It captures all the information, URL, the browser, operating system, and URL they have. They captured the browser, operating system, and resolution. And you can highlight the issue from here. add your comments and mark it as a bug. So when you mark it as a bug, it'll ask you workspaces and projects and assignee. I'm using Asana. I don't know about the other bug tracking tool, but I hope they have a pretty similar feature for this. So this is the real-time test in LambdaTest. We can go to screenshot, and so you can see the versions they have. So here, the versions they have is, let me show you in BrowserStack. So in BrowserStack, screenshots, they have for Chrome 50, and in LambdaTest they have 68 everywhere. So the range and availability of browsers is very good in LambdaTest. In the research, I found out uh, that LambdaTest has close to 2,000 plus browsers, and BrowserStack has 1,200 plus browsers. So that's pretty cool. And this is the dashboard. Can tell you the plan. Okay, yeah. So let's talk about the plan. So let's first go to BrowserStack and see their pricing. Okay, this is pricing they have. So they charge $29 per month, billed annually, and if you want to go month to month, that's $39. And the pricing is based on parallel sessions. As you increase the parallel sessions, the pricing increases. Now, if I go to LambdaTest, they start pricing with $15. That's pretty cool, guys. Now in BrowserStack, they don't have a freemium plan; they have trial. For LambdaTest, they have an entire freemium plan. So if you're able to, enjoy the sessions, the time limits they have, you're pretty much good to go in LambdaTest. Now they have 60 minutes available here. They have 60 minutes. They provide 60 minutes per month in the freemium plan, and 6 sessions of 10 minutes each, 10 screenshot tests per month. And this comes up in every month. So I've been using Lambda test from past 1 month, and last month I enjoyed 60 minutes. Now again, I've provided 60 minutes per testing time. This is a solo plan, which is again affordable. So if I want to compare the pricing between annual plan, single concurrent session or parallel sessions of BrowserStack and LambdaTest, it comes around $180 for LambdaTest, and for BrowserStack it comes around $348. So that's a huge difference, guys. Similarly, if I go to the monthly pricing for BrowserStack, the same plan is for $39, and here it's $19, which is again much affordable. And as per the cost you pay, the pricing you pay, the availability of browsers is too much, and it gives you wide options to choose from. Right now, I'm on a free plan, so I don't have actually access to all the browsers. These are the common ones. I have Mozilla Firefox open up, and so this is about kind of Lambda test and BrowserStack. So BrowserStack is a 7-year-old company. They started in September 2011, and they took 2 years to build a platform. And Lambda test launched in November 2017 last year. It's just 10 months. And they have built this amazing platform that the attention to detail is very good. Let me take you to few of the. Now let me type in Lambda test versus BrowserStack in Google. There you go. So this is Lambda test versus BrowserStack, and the first website that appears is BrowserStack in Trust Radius. There you go. So this is the BrowserStack section and Lambda test. Total score is 7.7 out of 10 and 8.9 out of 10. So again, Lambda test is higher, and this is the reviews, pros, cons. Is more user friendly, and this is ROI. So you see, browser stack, what they have built, it really looks like the vision they have in mind to give something to the society, to developers, and to testers at an affordable pricing. So what I heard recently is they're coming up with automation as well. And in this video, as I told, we are not covering automation, but we'll have another section coming up pretty soon. And that's all, guys, to talk about Lambda test and browser stack. And please leave your comments in the comment section. How did you like the video, or any suggestions you have for us? What topics you wanted to us to cover in the next video? Would love to explore those topics. And do subscribe to the channel. We are coming up with videos every week, and uh, you will be updated. Press the bell icon, and you will receive notification in your app. Thank you, guys. Thanks for joining in. That's all about browser stack versus lambda test. Have a great day.